Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the rest. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Aneke. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. My name is Aneke here at Aneke Budgets, and we do cash stuff and budgeting, paying off debt and mind our business, and not necessarily in those 4 orders. But if you want to get into it, little baby, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, and then like this video if you messing with it, and then leave your 2 cents down in the comment box below. Okay, but as you guys can see, baby, okay, second paycheck. Well, is it a second? Yes. Is it a second? No. First paycheck of is it the first? Hold up, y'all. See, and now I gotta look. Baby, I really think y'all be thinking and I be knowing. And most times I do, but then other times I don't. Okay, child, yes, child. Today's the first paycheck of January. It is, and we love to see it. Okay, get into it. All right. So first paycheck of January, y'all, and we about to do this budget breakdown. So without further ado, because it's gonna be a whole TO vibe, let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, so one of 2 things. Either I am that girl or baby just did not have time to be sitting down here waiting. But let's get into the budget, okay? So we are talking about my January budget paycheck of 2022, all right? And so on this paycheck, 2 things happen. Oh, no, this is a second check, child. The second check. Yeah, because I scratched up the first check. This is the second check, y'all. My bad. I didn't know why I was lying in the first one. But this is the second check. Let me get into it. This is the second check of the month, and in this we are doing the residual balance in our bills account, and we are doing our rental income. So the residual balance that was budgeted for our bills account is $530 and 67 cents, and then my rental income is $600. That is the tea, child. The tea. Okay, so when you do the little calculation, let me get this calculator together and bring it all up in the space. It leaves us, or what we're starting out with is $1,130.67. okay. Now, if this is your first time here on my channel and you don't know how I budget, child, my expenses is all my bills, all them regular bills, all them bills that be coming out that we tired of as adults, okay? The ones that have you paying for your light, your water, your rent, like all those ones, we tired of them. Your car insurance, like we tired of them. But, however, comma, they still are expenses that happen every month faithfully, okay? I ain't never seen something so faithful to me like a bill. Man, please. Go on somewhere. But anyways, y'all, I did do like a mini budget with this prior to coming here, so don't be mad at it, just be glad at it, okay? So we have no expenses, so I won't be putting anything in there. I'm gonna leave it blank for now, and if I need to come back, baby, I will come back because I will need to use it, okay? But for now, we're gonna move down to the groceries envelope. And so it's cute. All right. So, if there's a question of mine. Okay, hold on. The real life tea, y'all. So if you're new to budgeting, this is how I budget. 1, either you can budget whatever, how the spirit moves you, okay? Or you can do 2, which is what I like to call informed budget. So things like, hey, how much is my current debt? Or hey, it's like what I'm about to do. Hey, I'm doing these saving challenges. Like, what do I need to save in these saving challenges? So I'm just flipping to the back of my budget book because that's where all my saving challenges are. And that one's completed. This one is completed. So I got 25. Okay. I can do some dollars. I know y'all, they got a 100 envelope one, and then they got the penny challenge. Oh yeah, child, I do need to do the penny challenge. Girl, I didn't even look for the penny challenge part. Hold up. All right. So yeah, I'll come back to that real quick. But now I got an idea. I got a good idea. So for groceries, right, we're gonna go to the cash envelope portion first. We're gonna go in orders. For the groceries, we are going to do $20. Just give me a little something because, you know, I'm trying to eat all the food that's in my house because, baby, I have way too much food, whether they are canned or like need to be cooked. Girl, just cook them. You need to cook. So groceries getting $20. Gas, she does not have all that money because some things happened, y'all, and now she broke. So I'm gonna do 30 for her. I'm gonna give me a cool little $5, and then household can get a $5 and toiletries can get a $5, you know. And I'm not gonna put anything in hair care because I really don't need anything in here because it's good. And so that comes up to $65 total that we're gonna be working with. So from this $1,130.67 minus $65, we are left with $1,065.67. Now, because this is like a, I know, like a more fluid check that I get with this rental income that allows for me to do other things, I usually don't put a lot in my cash envelopes. Most of it goes to my sinking funds or saving challenges or to paying off debt, which y'all we'll see once you get into the tea. Okay, come on. So I have a number that I'm working with, y'all, that I have to. All right, so let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 envelopes. Let's do 10 in emergency. Right? Let's do 10 in home maintenance because, child, they the ones that keep, you know, popping up and going off. Let me actually take this out a little bit because, child, it was annoying. But I love that. When you can just take it out and move it, that's a little annoying when you got to hit against these. So let me take them out a little bit so, you know, we can get into it for real, for real. Next is my car maintenance. I'm going to give that $10 as well as car insurance is going to get $10. I feel like these are the big 5. Like emergency fund, home maintenance, car insurance, and travel. Like these are top 5. So I'm going to do $10 for all of them since they're top 5 energy. Okay. And then my birthday, I'm going to give it's $5, which is used to. Family's birthday, I'm going to give $5. Clothing, I won't give anything, and family visits, I won't give anything. So this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, and $60. So that is $60 right there. So the remaining that we was working with is $1,065.67 minus the 60 leaves me with $1,005.67. Okay, so now what do I want to do? My saving challenges and my 1 month ahead. So for my saving challenges, I'm gonna do $20. Do I want to do 20 because I do have that thing much? Yeah, I gotta do $20 because I don't but do I gotta do $20 because do you got to do $20 and you fill out most of 1 month ahead? So I'm gonna switch it up. So saving challenges, I'm gonna do $40, and then 1 month ahead I'm gonna do $20. And so the total is gonna be $60. And what's the remaining? So it's $1,005.67 minus 60 equals to $945.67. And so yeah, y'all, I was doing the calculation of, hey girl, so you know you did all this, but what is like your daddy trip? Like, how much did your daddy trip cost? And child, it cost me $355. It sure did. $355 when I did all the things. Now calm down now. This is for me buying my dad's gift to bringing him out to lunch, to us going to dinner, to eating with my nephew, like all the things that happened. This was such a good trip, y'all. It was short. It was a day trip, but it was such a good day trip. So this $355 that I spent plus the $70 I gave to my nephew, child, it was all worth it. So the total in additional debt is $355, which is going towards my credit card. And that covers all of the expenses there. So $945.67 minus $355 leaves me with $590.67. But here's the thing that I forgot to put, which is the priority on this that I should be having every paycheck moving forward. And I'm going to put it under expenses because this is my tithes and offering. Okay, and that was $60, and that was $60 total. So when you take away 60 from that 590.67, it leaves you with, what's it called, $530.67. So my income for this paycheck, making sure that y'all already seen it, is $1,130 because of that rental income and my regular bills account carryover. My expenses is gonna be $60 because that is for my tithes and offering. That's 10% of the rental income, which is a new fund that I had. My cash envelopes was $65. My sinking funds was $60. And then my additional savings was $60 as well. Dang. 60, 65, 60, 60. It was a 60 gang today. Okay. And then additional debt had $355 because, you know, I need that credit card paid off, child. Ooh. So I was thinking, y'all. So here's the thing. My credit card, when I looked at the balance, let me go in there. When I looked at the credit card when I looked at the balance on my credit card and how much they charge in interest, I was like, yo, so I can keep paying off this credit card and all that good jazz. Or what I could do is that I could take the money that I keep putting towards my credit card, or any extra money that I have that I say, hey, I want to pay towards debt or whatever, and I can put it towards my car payment because my car is a lower insurance. So my credit card right now has a 16.9% insurance, but my car only has a 3.54 insurance rate. So I'm like, yo, if I start putting more money towards my car, obviously it's going to get paid off faster, but I think it would be better because my credit card is ever evolving, and I think I can pay off my car faster. So that's a thought that I've been battling with and working with. But child, I think it's a good idea. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, because I can use all the help I can get, child, all of it. So for my next paycheck, I will have $530.67 roll over into my bills account. And so all of them got a job, somewhere to be, money, all that good jazz. So it's not zero-based budget, but it is zero-based budget because I know what this $530.67 is. I'm just waiting for those bills that are not, that I can't manually pay to automatically come out, because that's what this amount is, which is my buffer. So yeah, y'all, that is the budget. That is a le budget, okay? And let me know y'all thoughts. I thought it was a good budget. I thought it was good. And I'm paying back all of the money that I spent during my dad's weekend too, so well worth it money too. So a perfect weekend to me, if you ask me, but you know, that's just me. But anyways, y'all, if y'all did enjoy this video, again, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, child. Don't forget to leave your 2 cents down in the comment box. Like this video, turn on your notification bell, subscribe, and enjoy your day. Also, if you guys have not seen, there is this budget book. If you want a copy, I do have a free printable. The link is down below. The video on how to use it is also going to be linked down below. So get into it, baby. All the things, because all the things is great. Okay, so without further ado, my name is Aneke. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk.